What you got, lay back, all the drums, and if you could only let it be, you would see I like you the way you want. When we're driving in your car, and you're talking to me one-on-one, baby, you take time, nobody else around, everyone else walks in your backyard, you can relax, take time to be good, look like you want to be. All right. Come on, guys. Okay. Tanungin muna natin. Unahin na natin. Si Tito Danny on Valerie.
Medyo actually hindi masyadong clear.
Sa first song ito.
Oo, first song. Medyo may konting-konting sabi dito, here and there, no? Pero, medyo nakakompensate din sa tayo mo, tindig mo. Yung commanding presence on stage, no?
Very confident.
Yung second song mo, Sway, it was sexy, subtle. It was okay. Siguro may konti sigurong i-turn up the notch a little bit more.
Yun. Para kay Valerie. Si Ate Jaya, para kay
Alam mo ba, Jen? Pareho kaming tatlo, we agree na ikaw ay isang natural-born bakla. Bakla.
Yun.
Pero seriously, Jen, sa unang kanta pa lang, napansin na namin na medyo, may dating tong babae na to. Isa confident. Actually, so magandang performance mo, yung intonation mo, yung tunog ng boss mo, wala kaming problema doon. Yan. Confidence was there. Indeed. Konting movements lang na parang, alam mo yun kasi bagets ka tapos natural movement pa inaawit mo, parang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya papatungo emotionally, but since you're bakla, okay lang. I just really think that you're very confident on stage. Keep it up. Kung ano man yung mga konting nervyos, and whatever else you need to study and learn, just learn it along the way. But I think you should really keep that confidence because you're really a good singer. So keep it up.
Thank you very